Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here at the back of the new Mitsubishi Triton Athlete. This is the top of the line model that has 2.4-liter diesel engine. At the front, as you can see, there's DRL lights on top. You can find the headlight below it and the fog lamp at the side. There's a large Mitsubishi spelled out on the grille. There are 4 parking sensors below the grille. Let's go to the side. Here you can see these 18-inch alloy wheels. And the tires are 265/60 R18. At the front, it has ventilated disc and uses independent wishbone with coil spring suspension. There's a signal light repeater on the side mirror, and it's painted gloss black together with the door handle. It has gloss black fender flares, and the stepper is quite wide. It uses leaf spring suspension and drum brakes at the back. Let's look at the back. As you can see, the tail lights are LED, although the signal lights and the reverse lights are halogen. There's a third brake light near the door handle. Let's go inside. It has a leather stitching on the side and the control buttons for the windows, and the side mirror adjustment is located in the driver's side. Now for the steering wheel. It is covered in leather, and the buttons for ADAS are easily accessible. In the digital cluster, there's 2 analog gauge for the tachometer and the speedometer, and the 7-inch LCD screen at the middle. For the infotainment screen, there is a 9-inch LCD touchscreen display. Has a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Has a 2 cup holders. And it still has a manual handbrake. It has a center armrest with lots of space. At the top, it has a sun visor with mirror with no light. Overall, I really love the cabin of the new Mitsubishi Triton Athlete. Let's go to the passenger side. The controls here are for the windows and the door opener. It has a side aircon vent and 2 glove boxes. One at the top, one at the bottom. The seats are combined with orange leather and black suede inserts. However, it only has 4-way manual adjust. As the second row, the seats are quite soft. There's buttons to control the window. There's a seat belt for 3 passengers. And it has a center armrest. It is quite spacious as I have enough room for my legs and my head. At the center, it has a 12-volt socket and a USB-A and USB-C port. There's a light on the top and the aircon vents near it. When you open the bed, it is quite heavy, as it does not have a tailgate assist, and the dimensions can also be seen on the screen. It's so wide, it can fit many things as you go off-road or just city driving. If you want, you can add different accessories to make your pickup functional and good looking. There you have it, guys. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.